first finalist of India's Future Tycoons Season 2.
Collect plastic waste, extract activated carbon, and use the same to clean rivers and oceans. Akaloas, we hear you.
The goal is to provide pure drinking water to everyone with an accessible price. First, I will bring PET from the industries which dispose PETs. We import the plastic and get paid for that. We take that raw material, convert into activated carbon, and then purify water. We are going to sell that water bottle in 10 rupees and demand the customers, if they bring back as the PET water bottles, we give them back 9 rupees. So after we get the PET water bottles back, we again convert into activated carbon and reuse it for purification of water. The activated carbon which was kept earlier, we will reactivate it and send it to some other industries which need activated carbon as a primal matter. So that's our ideas.
So in essence, you're telling me that what I'd usually pay 10 rupees for a bottle of water, I'm actually paying 1 rupee for a bottle of water?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Excellent.
Warm welcome to Alamanda Cathartica.
Don't underestimate the tiny, unpretentious garden flower. Its natural bleaching agents can help purify water. Alamanda, it's called.
You first complain regarding skin irritations every time we use swimming pool water. So we need a solution for this, right? Ever heard of Alamanda Cathartica? Probably not. Our product, the sap of Alamanda, is 100% organic, multi-mineral, enriching and doctor certified product which can be a far better substitute for chlorine.
So with Golden Trumpet purifiers, Geo Shuddhata ke saath.
Team Bone to Backbone.
Team Bone to Backbone aims at taking some of the load off the shoulders of those who feed the nation with their automated field watering system. Farmers, be happy.
Have you ever reutilized the water after utilizing it in the agricultural field? We have. We have come up with the idea to solve the problems faced by the farmers, the backbone, with a high-tech technology. So we have several layers beneath the ground by which we can drain up the water and store in a storage tank or a farm pond. There are so many uses. The uses are lessen the use of water, and it is connected to a robotic model which can give the accuracy. It is connected to a graphical application which is easy to use, and it is also crop yield improvement, and production of the yield is more.
So we, Tough, also come up with an idea of e-commerce platform to avail cutting-edge technology to better production of crops. And we also reach urban market without any third-party interference. Farmers get an delivery of fertilizers at their farm step. Investment of this project is 2,70,000 and helps farmers to double their yield in just 1 year.
Team Swajal from Sikkim.
Flood water made drinkable. A raft with solar-powered flood water purifier can turn calamity into creation and ease woes. Swajal, your name says it all.
Water, water everywhere, not a single drop to drink. This famous saying becomes true during floods. So we have built a mobile raft which uses flood water as the raw material and provides drinking water on the go.
This will save the cost of transporting bottled water in huge quantities. We are mainly focusing on the neighboring states like Assam, where there is flood almost every year.
And all other states in the risk of flood can keep our product as a backup relief measures.
We can also extend our help to those waterlogged areas where often communication is lost.
If you care about those victims, then do check out our product.
The Great Basilic.
Municipal corporations will love the Good Basilisk's snake robot, a convenient and cost-effective device to detect water leakage. No more digging of roads, please.
You know what news has never made it to the headlines? The fact that there's a pipe burst every 36 hours in Mumbai, causing groundwater contamination and water wastage.
But you know what would solve it? If we knew the exact location of the leak.
Well, the Good Basilisk does just that. It's a snake robot.
A snake robot?
With a pressure sensor, GPS, lights and webcams attached to it. And it also temporarily fixes leaks.
It'll travel through sewage and water pipes, detecting the cracks before they turn into leaks.
we plan to take our product to the BMC to spread this through Mumbai.
So let's take a step towards saving and protecting our water.
Team Wateroo, Shivam and Aryaman.
One device, 3 benefits, mapping water wastage, usage and activity via Team Wateroo's tap nozzle will do it all.
What if I told you that the billions of dollars spent on soaps such as Dettol and Lifebuoy is a waste? How many trips have you gone to and you realize, have I left the tap open? Is my tap leaking? Will my plants die?
Our product solves just this. Our product is a tap extension that primarily targets the household and the hotel industry and requires no drastic change. Yet, it allows for automatic control and an app that provides cloud-based services and provides to the user personalized quantitative data and a whole host of features. Our product is 100% original and the working prototype is ready. We believe in inculcating long-standing habits in our users and we believe in those small steps that make a huge difference. We are Team Wateroo and we make your ordinary taps smart.